back to my channel. First thing I want to say is happy Halloween. As you guys can see, I already painted my nails all black, so I am feeling that Halloween vibe. And I also have this orange shirt that I got from Target. Look, this video or any other videos that I will be doing, I will always mention Target because that's my go-to store. So if you're the type of person like me who has no idea what to do in Halloween, I'm gonna show you today how to create a makeup simple look, so that way you could still slay your makeup. You basically don't have to do much. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe to my channel. That way you guys are notified whenever I post a video. Also, don't forget to like my video if you really enjoy it. And yeah, so without any further ado guys, let's go ahead and start this video. Okay guys, so I went ahead and did my eyebrows and basically set my lid, so that way we are diving into our eyeshadows. So I'm gonna go ahead and basically apply an orange eyelid shadow. So using my Morphe palette, I'm gonna be using this side of the shade. I will be using this one mainly to apply my eyelid, and then to buff out my eyeshadow, I'm gonna use this one right here. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen. So right now I'm gonna go with the shade Burn Spice and grab that baby and basically apply it on my entire lid. And then with a fluffy brush, I'm gonna go ahead and apply stain, and basically I'm gonna start buffing out. And now guys, to make it so orange, I'm gonna go with this shade right here. This is the shade Blazing, and basically I'm gonna apply that shade where I apply Burnt Spice. And now I'm gonna add like a shimmer color on my lid. I think I'm gonna go with Nefertiti, this shade right here. I hope you guys can see it. But I'm gonna apply that with my fingers. I'm gonna basically apply it right here. Okay guys, so I am back and this is how the eyeliner came out. So let me explain to you why it came out like this. Part of it is my fault because I think that, I don't know, I'm not sure whose fault it is. So I used the NYX eyeliner and maybe this one was, I mean, this works for a really sharp regular eyeliner, like any regular eyeliner. And then when I was doing the faces, it was just a mess. I couldn't even do it. So I went ahead and used my Maybelline gel liner. But this one, I think it dried up, so I couldn't really work with it. I don't know why. So I really tried my best, guys. I really try to make it very Halloweenish, but this is, I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm not even gonna touch it anymore because I don't want it to ruin my makeup and I don't want that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and basically apply my lashes and I'll be right back with you guys in a second. Okay guys, so now that I applied my lashes, now I'm gonna go ahead and basically apply my foundation. As you guys already know, I'm gonna be using my Maybelline foundation.